Tired of your Tableau dashboards becoming data-heavy behemoths, making them difficult to share or causing unnecessary file bloat? Today, we're diving into the practical magic behind saving your Tableau workbooks as TWB files, the secret weapon for lean, mean, and shareable visualizations. First, make sure your Tableau workbook is open after you've meticulously crafted your masterpiece. It's time to save it. Locate the File menu at the top left of your Tableau desktop. Click on File and this will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, direct your attention to the Save As option. Select Save As by clicking on it. This will begin the process of saving your file. This will launch the Save As dialog box, your control center for saving the workbook. Inside this box, you will see the current file name and the location where the file will be saved. Now, pay close attention to the Save As type drop-down. The Save As type drop-down menu defaults to the Tableau Workbook TWB option, which is exactly what we want. If for any reason it doesn't, click on the drop-down button to reveal other options. The TWB file format is what will save your visualization structure without the underlying data, allowing you to share it with others who have access to the original data source. With the TWB option selected, choose the location you desire for saving the file. It could be your desktop, a specific folder, wherever you'd like the file to reside. You can also rename the file if you'd like, or keep the suggested file name. Click the Save button to finalize the process. And you're done. Your Tableau workbook is now successfully saved as a TWB file. This means you've captured the architecture and metadata of your beautiful viz. With no pesky data clutter, now you can seamlessly share your work with your colleagues or collaborators who have the underlying data source.